Hello, you're welcome to Coding with Joe. Today we'll be working on our third lesson, which is creating our test token. So the first thing we'll do is to go to our contracts folder. We'll see another folder called contract, which was created by Hard. So let's create our token. So we can call it show token, show test token. Call it show test token dot sol. So smart contracts they have their extension as dot sol. So we create. So the first thing to do is to put our pragma solidity. So once we take pragma solidity, we have SPDX license identifier. Let's put our license as MIT. And if we look to know what version of Solidity to put there, you have to check into your hard.config.ts file. As we can see here, we have 0.8.19. We copy that and we paste that here. It's 0.8.19. So the next thing is to create our contract class. Let me take the default one given to us. So the name should be the same as the name of the file. This is show test token. So let's import some standard smart contracts from open zipline. So I will get some import and they will be in the description section. So we are importing from open zipping contract token ERC20 extension ERC20 cap. So we are using the capped smart contract because we want our test token to have a cap value. If not, we would have just imported ERC20 on its own. And next, let's import the honorable contract. So when we import the honorable smart contract from Open Zipline, what this does is it provides us with some functions such as only owner modifier, and also it can permit us to transfer ownership of our smart contract. Let's continue. So to import from the ERC20, you have to call the is function. We saw smart contract show test token is ownable, comma, and ERC20 cap. So this is how we are using inheritance in its solidity. So here we want the cap value, which is in 256 cap. So this value will be provided when we want to deploy our smart contract. So the first thing we call here is our ERC20. That takes in, if you see, it takes in the name of our token and the symbol of our token. So if we call our token, let's call our token the same name, show test, show test token, and our symbol is C. Yes, and also the next thing to call is our ERC20 cap. We call our ERC20 cap. That takes in the cap value. So that is it. And I want it such that when we deploy this smart contract, it sends a particular amount of token to our smart to our wallet address, to the wallet address of the person deploying the smart contract. So we can use it to test our payment functionality. So to load that, we have to mint when deploying. So we mint by calling ERC20 dot underscore the mint function. If you check the open zipline ERC20, you will see the mint function in it, and the mint function takes in the wallet address of that the wallet address to mint the token to. So we use message dot sender. So in Solidity, message dot sender provides the wallet address of the person interacting with the smart contract. And then we also want the amount to be minted to that address. So let's put 10,000 CTT token, and we take times 10 to the power 18, because our token has 18 digits. If you want, you can also create a function whereby other clients can mint can mint this CTT token. But since we are just using this for testing, this is all we are going to do. So let me run. Let's save the file, and then we run npx hard compile. So I'll show you some errors and how to fix them. Npx hard compile. So the first error we see here is that open is enabling providers, they have updated their contracts to Solidity version 8.20. And if you can check hard, we are working with version 19. So let's use version 20 here. And also, I love to always specify a specific version, because it prevents bug from happening in the future. If we put this like this, it will work, because it will say that from version 19 onward, but I want to specify a specific version here as version 20. Let's save that, and we compile again. You see there's still another error, which I'll show you how to fix. So the open zipline enable smart contract now accepts an address as an argument. So if you click on this enable, if you click to take me to, I don't know why it's not taking me to the to 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 the installed file. But if you see, it's asking for an address, so we need to add enable here, and we pass an address when deploying our smart contract. We pass the address as owner, and in the enable we pass in the owner's address, and if we save, and now if you run npx hard compile, it should compile well. So we have created our test token, and we will use this throughout this course. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.